आप सब केस आज वैसे ही लेकर कलेक्ट करके रखा है।
हम देखते हैं कि दिल्ली में जो कुली है 70 किलो उठाता है, अब बिहार का छोटा हम लोग की तरह का कुली 10 किलो।
The Land Council for the petitioner has drawn the attention of this court to the original order of the licensing authority whereby the license of the petitioner has been cancelled. The Supreme Court in Institute of Chartered Accountants of India versus LK Ratna 1986 bracket 4 SCC 537 concluded within a period of 30 days, within a period of 90 days from the date of receipt of the production of a copy of this order. The petition stands disposed of accordingly.
Say 13, Mr. Dhananjana Tiwari.
Annexure 1 is the so-called notice, Annexure 2 is the so-called, and order at Annexure 3 page 16, my lord, will be important. In one line he says that अस्पष्टीकरण असंतोष रख पाएगा, पेज 16
आप सब केस आज वैसे ही लेकर कलेक्ट करके रखा है जिसमें
छोटा लेते हैं हुजूर,
जिसमें कहीं कोई ऑर्डर नहीं है।
नहीं हुजूर, हम देखते हैं कि दिल्ली में जो कुली है 70 किलो उठाता है, अब बिहार का छोटा हम लोग की तरह का कुली 10 किलो उठाता है, तो हम देखा है छोटा छोटा केस कर ले हुजूर, बड़ा बड़ा कहाँ पर है जी। एनेक्चर 3 पेज 16
अपीलेट ऑर्डर भी है सर।
आप तो सबसे डिसाइड हो जाए,
खराब ऑर्डर है
हुजूर का ऑर्डर, अब
ये तो बहुत खराब ऑर्डर है भाई।
देखिए आप ही का बहस किया वाली
कौन सा?
If the original order is bad, then all the orders are bad. My lord has also.
इसके बाद अपील में भी ऑर्डर हुआ।
अपील में
नहीं तो अपील क्या करेगा? कहाँ है मेरा ऑर्डर?
अपील ऑर्डर पेज 22 एनेक्चर 5 मेरा अपीलेट ऑर्डर।
हाँ, इसकार साहब
देखो
एक कॉपी और दीजिए वो जज साहब को।
एक ही कॉपी, सॉरी my lord, I am extremely sorry.
Mr. Agrawal,
My lord, no explanation.
good enough
My
reason
lord,
for
no
good enough
explanation
reason
for
for us
this.
to
A
grant a
mistake,
long adjournment.
A mistake, no, not expected.
No. For the reason that in row you have argued 3 cases, so this should go in August. You have not supplied 2 copies.
My mistakes would be ignored.
देखिए
May I have my lord's leave, my lords?
Yeah, please. Heard Mr. N.K. Agrawal, learned senior advocate for the petitioner, and Mr. Upen Pratap Singh for the state. First up, the Land Council for the petitioner has drawn the attention of this court to the original order of the licensing authority whereby the license of the petitioner has been cancelled. First up, the order does not state any reason for coming to the aforesaid conclusion. First up, Mr. Upen Pratap Singh, learned counsel for the state, however, submits that the order in question has already been challenged in appeal, and the appellate court has sustained the aforesaid order. First up, this court has times without number stated that if the original order has the defect of being non-speaking, the same cannot be restituted in appeal, as the appellate authority would not have any reasons to, it would not have any materials to test the original order. The Supreme Court in Institute of Chartered Accountants of India versus LK Ratna 1986 bracket 4 SCC 537 has categorically held that even if the appellate decision cannot be faulted for being a non-reasoned order, but if it is against an order by the original authority which does not actually disclose any application of mind, such manifest original defect cannot be cured by the appellate authority. Keeping in view the aforesaid view and the decision of this court in Pinky Kumari alias Pinky Singh versus the state of Bihar and others, bracket CWJC number 21135 of 2021, disposed of on 2/3/2022, we find force in the submission of the counsel for the petitioner. The orders passed by the appellate authority as also the original/licensing authority dated so and so is set aside. The matter is remitted to the licensing authority to furnish fresh notice to the petitioner within a period of 30 days from the date of production of a copy of this order. On receipt of the reply of the petitioner against such notice, a final decision shall be taken by the licensing authority within a further period of 60 days, and the order so passed by the authority shall be backed by reasons in support of the same. With the aforesaid direction observation, the writ petition stands allowed.